Turning 50 used to feel like the beginning of the end, but what if it's actually the beginning of something new? What if this chapter is where you start thriving instead of just surviving? Hey, I'm Carl, a midlife dad, husband, and grandpa who had to completely start over after a health scare pulled the rug out from under me. I know what it's like to go from being the rock for your family to suddenly questioning everything, your work, your confidence, even your future. For me, it wasn't just about recovery. It was about staring down the years ahead, realizing retirement wasn't going to look the way I once imagined, and asking myself, what now? That season forced me to rebuild piece by piece. And along the way, I discovered something I wish I'd known sooner. Change doesn't mean failure. It's actually an invitation to write a new story. And I'll be honest, embracing change after 50 isn't easy. But here's the thing. Change doesn't mean you failed. It means you've been given the chance to write a new story. At this stage of life, thriving doesn't look like competing with 20-year-olds or proving yourself in the corporate grind. It looks like freedom, purpose, doing work that lights you up, even if it's in small, steady steps. And here's what I've learned. Thriving after 50 is less about big leaps and more about showing up consistently, whether that's learning a new skill, trying out online income, or simply believing that your best days are still ahead. So if you're in midlife and struggling with change, hear this. You're not falling behind. You're entering a season where you get to live on your terms. Keep showing up, keep learning, and keep believing in what's possible. Because thriving after 50 isn't a dream, it's a choice. If you're ready to take small steps into digital skills and freedom, I've put together resources to help. You'll find them linked below. Let's thrive in this next chapter together. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and smash that subscribe button to follow along this journey with me. Until next time, remember, progress comes one small step at a time. Keep showing up.